Hey, come back with you again with another video about the Good Guides. Date 01/15/2024. Brought to you by the Good Guys, the protection plan company, brand new company. They started last year. How to get covered for your auto and home needs, plus tow, including tow. About the Good Guys protection plan. Those are the two products they are offering at this time: auto protection and home protection. Why you making money? All you do is share the opportunity, what I'm doing right now. Yes, all you do is share the opportunity, what I'm doing right now. And you will get a VIP number to call the call center to see if you are interested in one of the products they got to offer you. Home and auto protection plan. We know we need protection for our car, for our home. We know that. Every time things break in your house, what we do, you have to save up some money for emergency purposes only. Things break in our house. I know that for a fact. Things break in our house. That's why you have to have a special fund for your house maintenance. Why can't you just have a plan in place to cover your home expenses, and you don't have to worry about it no more because you are paying your monthly dues to get covered for your home and auto protection need? Yes, brought to you by the Good Guys. Good Guy is a protection company that protects your auto and home needs. Again, we all need this protection. We all got to pay for something that breaks in your house: water heaters, sinks, toilets, uh, kitchen sinks, plumbing, whatever. Why not get covered and have the specialists come from the Good Guys by you ordering your plan today? All you gotta do is call a VIP number and you are good to go. Let me see if I can remember my VIP number. 503-837-0271. Yes, 503-837-0271. That is my VIP number that you can call for your protection need. True story. You will get a VIP number. All you do is call that VIP number. You are set to go. You are set to go. No joke. Yes, my VIP number is 837-0271 to get covered today. No joke. No hassle. Call that number. Repeat: 503-837-0271. Call that VIP number and see how much you can save on your auto plan and your home plan needs. You know, sometimes we need help to get our things fixed. If you ain't got no help at home, once you get covered anyway. You're gonna need it sooner or later. Why not get it on board? Why not get it on deck to start calling the claim in, and the people will come out and fix whatever is broken in your house. All covered. It's like an insurance. It's like a union plan. You know, you join the union, you have to pay your union dues. After every your union dues come out your check, whatever is left, that's how much you get paid because you paid your union dues to keep working for that company. Yes, we have to set our our plan in place just in case something breaks, just in case something shut down, just in case you get stuck in your car mid out of nowhere. How you gonna get covered? That's why you have to put everything in place to get covered today. It's like insurance. We drive on the road. Why we get insurance all the time? Just in case we break down, you call your insurance company and put a claim in. Make sure you can get home and get your car replaced. This is the same thing as the good guys. Good guy is like an insurance to help your home and your auto needs. Extra insurance to your home and auto needs. Why not put it in place? You never know what's going to break down. You'll never know. That's why we always putting funds aside, emergency fund, just in case something break down. Why not get a plan and make sure you set yourself in position just in case something breaks down? It is a normal thing to do. Set yourself in position. Make sure nothing don't break down. Sometimes we don't have. Sometimes we do. So put yourself in position and you get things getting fixed. We don't have a bunch of money. I know that. So it's called get ready just in case something breaks down. Things break. We know that, and everybody know that in the world. Things break. So that's why you put a special funds for maintenance funds. I call it the maintenance funds, just in case your water heater go out, your sink go out, your toilet go out, your pipe bursts inside your wall. Why not get covered today by the good guys? Everything is paid for because you are a member with the good guys when you pick one of the auto and home insurance needs, home cover needs. Everything is covered. You don't have to come out of pocket no more. Just pay your union dues and everything is done. When you put your claim in, tell them what's wrong, what broke, and if you are a member with the good guys, they're going to come in and come fix it. No money out of your pocket anymore. So the good guys, it's like a extra insurance to help you cover your auto needs and your home needs. We all need this just in case things break. You know that I know things always break. You just don't know when it's going to break down. Yes, world, you just don't know when it's going to break down. All you got to do is set yourself in position and get covered today by the good guys